lived in a home. I was a mom on welfare. Then we ended up going to one shelter. I would wake up with cockroaches on the pillow. I had to go to the welfare office and claim homelessness. At that point, I was freaking out. I didn't know what I was gonna do. I was gonna have each and every one of my daughters live with their grandparents, and I was gonna end up sleeping in a car. I felt like I was giving up. I was giving my daughters up. I was giving up hope.
My mother and father were both addicted to drugs, alcohol. They were both involved in gangs. And my mother, she worked as a single mom, taking care of me and my brother and my two sisters. And it really opened my eyes up to what kind of father I want to be.
In my life was a hard part when I come to America and I lose my ex-husband. I go to college and classes start 2 p.m. and finish 10 p.m. When I come home, they already sleep.
We were actually living in a pretty small one-bedroom apartment. It was really a high crime area, but at that particular moment, that's pretty much all I could afford.
Today in North Sacramento, a special dedication event hosted by Habitat for Humanity.
Habitat for Humanity began working on this home earlier this spring for Rosanna Robinson.
We're here in South Sacramento where Habitat for Humanity is raising the walls on its second largest project in 32 years.
This morning, Habitat for Humanity.
Habitat for Humanity.
Habitat for Humanity.
Habitat for Humanity is taking on this large-scale home improvement project to help out a veteran.
At Habitat, we have a saying, it takes a community to build a community, and this property is a great example of that. This property may be currently seen as an eyesore here in the neighborhood, but it won't be that way for long. What will soon stand here on this now vacant lot is a community of Habitat homes. As we look forward to the future as Habitat for Humanity, we look to build bigger. We look to make a bigger impact. We look to do more. And we know that we can do it because time and time again, our local community has stepped up and shown us that they can help make it possible.
Now that I look back on my Habitat hours, pretty much every day that I was out there was inspirational. Not only because I was working toward a goal for me and my family, but I was also helping other families realize their dream too.
My mommy's friends built this house for my mom and me.
I have pride. Before that was a little bit of a struggle. It's changed our life in the most positive ways.
And Habitat House protect my family, protect my kids for future.
I love about my Habitat house is that it's a place that we can actually call home and it's safe.
Building a better future and pursuing a higher education, that's how I know I'm gonna create something better. And this cycle of drug and alcohol abuse that has been a part of our family for generations, it will end with us. This is our home. This is gonna be a future for my kids growing up. And that's what gives me that extra energy to just keep pushing.
Some mothers don't get back up on their feet, but my mom did. I'm proud of her. It pushes me to be more successful learning from my mom.
I'm no longer on welfare. I won a scholarship to become a medical assistant, so now I'm working. We have a lot to look forward to now, a lot.
Thank you for building our house. I wish I could give a hug to everyone who helped.
And it's not just this home, it's the people that we've met, the volunteers that we've worked with. It's so much more than just this home.
Habitat to me is really about people and it's about love.
It's family.
I'm so grateful.